if you can tell, I am very happy. Like, can you see the smile on my face? I wore this clothes on the 24th of May, 24th of May, and today is 25th of July 2020. Mind you, 24th of May 2020, this year, this same year, and today is 25th of July 2020 as well. So this is like 2 months gone, and you can tell the difference from the previous clip. I'm going to insert a side by side clip so you can judge by yourself. Like the sleeve that was too tight and I was doing like this, you can see it's free now. I told my husband that I was going to wear this. He bought it from Nigeria since 2017 and I've not worn it for once. He bought it hoping or thinking that it will size me, but he came back here, I tested it, it was very tight on me. I said I must wear this suit, that I must lose weight and I must wear it, and I'm wearing this suit today. I can't wait to show him when he comes back. He went to the supermarket with Joshua, so you guys look. Can you see that? My tummy that was, you know, a bit bulky or huge, then you can see it has gone inside. Like, you don't understand, guys. You don't even understand. Look at that. Look at that. You saw how my tummy was then, but now look. You see? There's even gap here now. And the skirt is loose. I'm happy. I'm so happy, you guys. I am so happy. I will show him this. I'll show him this when he comes back. And I'm going to remind him that I told him I was going to wear this and he doubted it. So 2 months and I'm wearing it. See, he didn't doubt this because I wasn't going to lose the weight. No, he doubted it because he thought I wasn't going to continue, because he already knew how many times I tried to lose weight and never completed it. Like, it's either I quit or I am pregnant. So that was why he doubted it. But you guys you can see, obviously, like, I'm not even wearing any shaper inside, like Guido or tight or whatsoever. I'm not wearing nothing inside to hold my tummy or whatever. I'm not. And in the previous clip, I wasn't wearing anything inside as well. So you can see now, when I wear my cincher, you can imagine how flat my tummy will be. And this one couldn't even button then, and the inner one was very tight. You saw how tight it was then. Look, you can see I can even, like, I'm not even struggling to hook it up, just as simple as that. But then I was struggling and it couldn't even come together, not to talk of hooking up together. Like, you guys, this is amazing. Amazing, amazing. I have really slimmed down. Amazing, amazing. Let me model for you. Hey, baby uncle, baby uncle, baby uncle. Oh my god, this is so good. Let's go inside. Okay guys, so this is another day. This is not the same day that I filmed the other clip. So my hubby is in the living room and I'm going to leave this camera on. I'm going to call him to come in here so we can see his reaction. I don't know if he will really react about this, but I just wanted you guys to probably see his reaction. That is, if he's going to give us one And I would have done this in our room, but Blessing is currently sleeping, so we are going to do it here. I don't want to wake her up. So let's do this. I'm going to call him now to come in, and then I will remind him of this clothes. You guys remember, right? it fits so well now. So let me call him to come in. My lord, Oya, come. Joshua's room. Do you remember this suit? Do you remember this suit? Talk now, you're looking at it and you're looking, admiring me. Eh? Tell them if you can remember this suit. This suit, look at, I still have the label on.
Oh. This is serious. This is serious. I bought this suit by myself. This was, I could remember the year I went down to Nigeria.
They can't hear you.
I bought this suit the time I went down to Nigeria. With my money, and even I went to the small market
before
by myself.
Is it with my money that you used to buy it?
And along the line, the thing couldn't size you.
Yeah.
I was like, what do we do?
You suggested that we give it out to somebody.
Yes, I did. But
I told you I love it that I must wear this suit.
And thank God, eh?
And then this thing didn't come together.
That's the issue.
Not to even talk
that was
of
even when we said, okay, can you wear without this? But
this one was very short.
Yeah. Wow.
I even started in.
Wow. Millicent is doing a great job.
He said Millicent is doing a great job. Millie, are you hearing it?
Wow.
I'm happy he could remember.
This is nice. I'm encouraged to buy more.
Did you hear that? He said he's encouraged to buy more. Are you serious?
Yes.
Of course, you promised me that if I lose weight since 2017,
yes,
that if I lose weight, he was going to buy me, you know, he's going to take me shopping. So this is the time. This is the time. You got to go? You got to go? Are you speechless? Like the skirt is not even as tight.
You made business here, honestly. You really do.
Yes.
Wow.
That's it. I said, let me show it to you. I told you, I think 2 months ago, that I must wear this suit. You said, how is that possible? I remember so well. You said, I don't think. You said, I don't think. Yeah, that was your response. And I told you I must wear it. So, this is me today. And this thing, it's not even tight. It's not even tight on me. Like, I feel so comfortable in it. So, wow, you guys can see that my hard work has finally paid off. Okay? That means Bachino now, you're not going to, you know.
You cried. Isn't it like a child?
Honestly, it has gone inside. This is my muffin top. It has gone inside. I don't have it no more. Just a tiny, which I'm still working on it. Okay? And I also told you I must
actually to work on this one.
But you are not looking bad.
I'm going to cut it from here, inside off.
With a knife or with saw?
With a knife.
Oh my God. Wow, I also told you I must achieve a flat. I showed you a picture that I must have that type of flat tummy. You said, how is that possible? It's not achievable. I will still show him that, but definitely not on camera, okay? Yeah, so this is what I wanted to show you. That once I'm determined, yes, I must wear this suit and I'm wearing it. If I am determined, I would have forgotten it now, or maybe one day I might remember it and be like, oh, that soup would have sized me now, but See?
You are getting down the way you were when I met
you. So, you can go now. We are done with you. Ciao. Yes. Yes, I told you guys. He's really impressed. Like, he even promised to take me shopping. So I can't wait for that day, but I'm still going. Like, I'm not stopping yet. I still want to get down more before I go for shopping, because if I go for shopping now, I might just wear it probably 1-2 months and I'll drop it again. No, I want to get to my goal weight, then I can go for clothes shopping. So yeah, you see, like, you guys, now I stuck it in and it fits much better than flying it out. I mean the inner one. So you guys can see consistency matters a lot. Determination matters a lot when it comes to weight loss or any other thing in general. Anything in life, just make up your mind to achieve this and you will see yourself achieving it. I believe in this life nothing is unachievable. You can achieve anything provided that you put in the work, like you work for it and put in your effort. I mean, you must surely get there. So that is one word I'm leaving you with. Let's carry on with the rest of the vlog before I stand here and start talking. Yeah, I got him and I'm super duper excited. Look at the way I'm shining. If you haven't, by the way, if you haven't seen my detox and glow juice, go over to my second channel and watch that video. I'm going to leave the link to my second channel in the description box below. Okay, so go, or the video itself, watch it. Like, it works, you guys. The way I'm glowing these days, it's not only the weight loss, the exercise that is helping me. The flat belly, the detox juice that I drink also helps me too. So yeah. All right guys, so I wanted to I wanted to end this here, but I'm like, why not end the vlog entirely? Like, I mean, I've passed the message, I've shown you guys what I wanted to show you. So I will be ending this vlog here to start up another one, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog, and I hope you are inspired as well. Yeah, I hope you are inspired to get on with whatsoever you have been trying to achieve in life. Work for it. Even the Bible said that faith without work is useless, like it's worthless. So if you want to achieve something in life, you have to work for it. You have to be determined, you have to be focused, you have to be consistent as well. I've been so consistent with this my weight loss journey, and so far so good. It has really paid off. It has really shown, like, the result is noticeable. Everyone can notice it now. Okay, yeah, so that's it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support you've been showering me, both on my Instagram. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, please be sure to follow me there, because I post pictures almost every single day, you know, my weight loss pictures, my progresses. So you might want to follow me there if you want to be seeing my progress. My Instagram handle is fantastic_favor. I'm going to leave it on the screen for you guys. I always leave it at the end of my video, at the end screen, no, at the end slate. I hope that's what it's called. I always leave it there. My Facebook and Instagram name is always Fantastic Favor. So anywhere you want to search for me, use Fantastic Favor and you will see me there. Thank you guys once again for watching this video and for watching all my videos. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Share if you want to share, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
You as you drive, do you know I'm looking, and I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you?